Hey guys, welcome to Class with Tech. Today, the most waited unboxing video is there. You guys were asking me to review a budget earphones, so I bought this Bose headphones. So here we can unbox it. Wait, let me try it. I got this product from Amazon at a price point of $4.99, but now it is $5.49 rupees. I got it in an offer. So here is Bose headphones. Particularly, I like the blue color the most, so I ordered in a blue variant. So here is it. Again, the recommendation of this Bose headphones is very high in all the websites, etc. Even the skull candy, it is very high in earphones, but this is a budget one. We are getting a lot in 499 rupees. So here it says super extra bass, and at the back here it gives the specifications and the contents of the package. So let me go ahead and share it. So here comes the Bose headphones. And again, the quality of the headphones is very nice, and the bass is also very good. Compared to all, I have a skull candy headphones. I'll review it later. And compared to that, it is very good. Again, it's at 500 rupees. You're getting a lot. And at this time, you're getting 2000 rupees and all the earphones is there. But this one is a 500 rupees one, and you're getting a big specification in it, features also. So here is it. Here I particularly like the blue color, so this is the blue variant. And you're also getting a 5 pairs of earbuds and also a clip. You can see it clearly here. And that is in the right corner here is the earbuds, a different type of one, because this type of earphones will fall off from your earphones very quickly. So this is provided for that. If you're using this one, it will not fall as fast. You can see the 5 pairs of earbuds, and here this is the clip. This will make sure that your earphones will not fall from your pocket or something. So here, Bose headphones. Again, the quality of the material is very good. And here it says, they are saying that it's a tangle-free cable. Since it's a flat cable, it will not tangle very easily. So it's a tangle-free one. Let me keep this box aside. Here you can take a overview. So here is the board. Here the flat cable. And here is the Bose headphone sets. And this is the mic. Here it says plug in Nibian Navarna something earbot. And this is the audio 3mm jack, and it's a gold plated one. It is feeling a premium quality good. Actually, I have to buy these headphones because of this guy broke my old headphones. That is my Nokia one, which lasted for 3 years. This one, he wasted mine. Yes guys, that's it for today. Here's the review of the Bose headphones. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed.